Hello everyone, this is Mazhar Ali and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learning Digitally. This is our fourth session on course Artificial Intelligence for Education. If you are new to this course, make sure to check out the previous lectures available in the description box below. In our past sessions, we have covered foundational concepts and essential tools that will enhance your understanding and applications of AI in educational settings. Today's session will delve into how AI can support teachers in lesson planning and administrative tasks, offering practical strategies and tools to save time and improve effectiveness. This is a very important session, so don't miss it and watch complete this session. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learning Digitally and press the bell icon to receive notifications about my upcoming lectures, motivational talks, and insights into technology, language learning skills, training sessions, and vlogs. Let's dive into the lecture. Artificial intelligence can be a valuable tool for teachers to enhance their lesson planning and curriculum development processes. Here are some ways that AI can support these processes. Number one, saving time on research and preparation. AI can help you save time on research and preparation by providing relevant and accurate information for lesson planning and curriculum development. This can free up time for you to focus on teaching and supporting student learning. Number two, differentiating instruction. AI can analyze student data, student interests, and learning objectives to provide personalized recommendations for lesson planning and curriculum development. This can help you create more effective and engaging learning experiences that meet the needs of individual students. Number three, identifying areas for improvement. AI can help you identify areas where students may need additional support or where the curriculum may need to be adjusted. This can help you create more effective and targeted lesson plans that address the specific needs of your students. Now, how AI can help with the administrative task? Let's learn. AI can be a valuable tool for teachers to streamline administrative tasks such as grading and attendance tracking. Here are some ways that AI can help with the administrative task. Number one, automating simple grading. Artificial intelligence can automate the grading process by analyzing student responses and providing accurate and consistent feedback. For example, checking a student's essay for spelling or grammatical mistakes. This can save you time and effort on grading, allowing you to focus on teaching and supporting student learning. Number two, providing personalized feedback. AI can provide personalized feedback to students based on their individual learning needs and performance. This can help students to understand their strengths and weaknesses and improve their learning outcomes. And number three is making communication more efficient. AI can help you respond to an email or create a newsletter or even a landing page for your classroom messages. This can save you hours of time and help you craft consistent professional emails and other communication. Now I am discussing very important prompts. Here are our top 10 AI prompts for saving time as a teacher. Just focus these prompts and write on your notebook. These prompts will help you in managing the class in a proper way. Number one prompt is a unit or lesson objectives. So generate objectives for this prompt. You have to write in a chat GPT that generate a list of number of lessons or unit objectives for class. Any class may be there, and subject, any subject may be there, on topic, any topic may be there. So you have to mention the lesson number, that what is the lesson number, and for which grade or for which class, and what is the subject and topic. Each objective should begin with the sentence structure and align to standards and learning framework. For example, you have to write in a chat GPT that generate a list of 5 lesson objectives for my 5th grade science class on topic gravity. Each objective should begin with students will be able to and align to the 5th grade next generation science standards. The chat GPT will generate objectives for your this class. Number 2, critical thinking questions. This is also important prompt. So what you have to do, you have to write in a chat GPT, create a list of open-ended critical thinking questions for topic gravity, subject science, and class 5th. Chat GPT will create critical thinking questions for your class. Number 3, discussion topic. For this prompt also you have to write in a chat GPT that generate a list of discussion topics for subject. For example, subject is a science, and grade, for example, grade of class is a 5th class. On topic for example is a gravity with a low level, medium level, or high level. Now it depends you know the level of the student. For example, we write medium complexity level. So chat GPT will generate the discussion topic for your class. Number 4, essay prompts. So for this prompt you have to write in a chat GPT, create an essay related to gravity topic for 5th class students. Now the chat GPT will write essay for 5th class students. Number 5 is a vocabulary list and quizzes. So this prompt is also important. You have to write in a chat GPT that generate, mention the number vocabulary, that how much vocabulary you need. So generate number vocabulary words related to topic, any topic you want, for example gravity, and create a matching multiple choice and or fill in the blank. Now you have to set which type of the question paper should be there, or which type of the quiz should be there. So mention that in the chat GPT prompt that I need MCQ quiz or other with the 2 versions, a blank student version and a teacher version with the answers. The chat GPT will generate a vocabulary list and quiz for you. Number 6 is a formative assessment. For this prompt you have to write in a chat GPT, generate a list of 5 formative assessment ideas or 10 formative assessment ideas related to topic gravity for my students of science subject of class. So ChatGPT will generate formative assessment ideas for you and your class. Number 7 is the class management strategies. This is also important prompt, and you have to focus that how you may generate the class management strategies using the chat GPT. So write in a chat GPT that create a list of strategies for dealing with any issue. What is issue there? So write issue there, that is in your class. So write that issue that is related to your class. So create a list of strategies for dealing with the issue A in my class. So you have to mention the grade, means class, subject name, and time of the day when issue occurs. Number 8, parent teacher conference reminder email. This is also important prompt, because sometimes we teacher conduct meeting with the parents and send them letter or email. This is a digital age, so we send them email. So for this prompt, you have to write in a chat GPT that write an email to remind parents about our upcoming parent-teacher meeting or conference. Include the date, that on which date, include the time, that on which time meeting will be conducted, and the location, that at which location meeting will be conducted. Now either meeting will be online or physically, you have to mention any condition. Number 9 prompt is the email response. So you have to create a response to this email. So write in a chat GPT, create a response to this email. So paste that email within the bracket, means first you write create a response to this email, then generate brackets and paste that email within those brackets. Now give instruction to ChatGPT that keep the tone professional and friendly and write from the point of view of teacher or administrator. If you are teacher, write that the point of view of teacher. But if you are administrator, then write the point of view of administrator. So ChatGPT will generate a response of the email which you have received from anyone. And number 10 and last prompt is the improve content. This is a very much important prompt because we write several types of the content, but there may be errors in that content. Error may be grammatical, error may be of tone, or any error may be there. So for this prompt, you have to write in the ChatGPT that improve this content, and then write that content or paste that content there within the bracket, and write instructions to ChatGPT that changing the tone, fixing the grammar, making it more concise, and making it more engaging. So ChatGPT will rewrite your content, correct it grammatically, make the very good tone, and also make it a professional and make it a concise and engaging. So dear teachers, these 10 prompts are very much important for you, for your class management and class engaging. Now I am discussing three things which I discuss in my every lecture. So these three things you can try right now. Number one, use some of our prompts to get started building lesson plan content for your students. Ask ChatGPT to provide options for the lesson content for different types of students, student interests, or student cultural background. Number two, create your first mini lesson where students interact with the ChatGPT or help you interact with the ChatGPT. And number three, use the framework to write a prompt you can share with your colleagues on an aspect of planning or administrative work that you think would help you and your colleagues save time. These are important suggestions, so try them now. If you will practice my guidelines, definitely you will be expert and professional teachers. So our fifth session of artificial intelligence for education will be on understanding the ethical implications of AI in education. This will be very good training and session, so don't miss it. Ask your friends to join my channel Learning Digitally and get this training free of cost. As we conclude today's lecture on artificial intelligence for educators, I hope you now have a clear understanding of how AI can be an invaluable asset in both lesson planning and administrative tasks. By leveraging AI tools, you can save time on research and preparation, tailor your instruction to meet individual student needs, and streamline grading and communication process. Remember, the goal is to enhance your efficiency and effectiveness as an educator, as a teacher, ultimately enriching the learning experience for your students. So, thank you for joining this session. If you found this lecture helpful, please share it with your other community members, other teachers, students, and subscribe to our channel Learning Digitally and press the bell icon to stay updated on future lectures, motivational talks, and insights into technology, language learning skills, training sessions, and vlogs. Previous lectures and trainings are available in the description box below. Keep exploring the potential of AI in your teaching practice, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. So, happy teaching, happy learning, stay blessed, and take care.